Okay, so we have our CAT5E end here, nothing made off. So again, RJ45 boot, strain relief, slide that over first. Always get into the habit of putting that on first, and then you won't have any problems. So again, you can use the cutter technique. I'm confident with that. I never really break the inner cores at all, only once every now and again. Or you can use a Stanley knife. Equally, you need to be a little bit careful, or you can just buy a stripping tool. Some people buy the stripping tool, they put on, pull, and it takes the jacket off or twizzle it round, same with the RJ59. But me, I don't like those tools. I like to do them by hand. Again, everyone's got their own opinion. There's nothing wrong with either technique. So we'll take a Stanley knife, be careful of the blade, health and safety. Move that out the way. So place the cable between your thing, turn it round, rotate it just so enough pressure that you feel the jacket is broken, but not the inner core. You should be able to separate that. Nice clean. And you've got the rip cord there. We don't want that rip cord, so what we'll do is just get my cutters and snip, get rid of that. Okay, so nice clean cable end. So what we do then is twist it, so separate the cores, and you have to follow the color code. You can't make your own up as many people do, which is why we spend so long telling people the correct color code. Now I start by untwisting the orange and white. It doesn't matter how you do this, everyone's got their own technique that works for them. I'm not trying to tell you how to suck eggs, I'm just showing you how I do it. The color code needs to end up that way however you do this. So orange and white first, and then it's white green, and then it's blue, and then blue white, then green, and then white, brown, brown, okay, so just straighten them like that. So you can see I pinch the cable between there and there. Let me drop it down so you can actually see. Okay, nice and straight. Take a nice sharp pair of cutters and cut, so it's probably about that long there. Cut it there. Pick up the mess later. Then you get your CAT5 end, making sure all of the cables, see now because I wasn't concentrating, I've lost the twist. Yeah, and it's back again there. Make sure they're aligned. There we go. Put the CAT5 plug on there. I definitely needed my glasses for this. Push it in to the socket, so the grey, push it into the socket so you can see there the grey is up to there, so when it crimps down on the inner crimp there, it will hold the grey cable and not the twisted pairs. And you want as little as the actual cable showing as possible. Not only does it look neater, it actually serves a purpose and helps the data with less interference, and the twists maintain the noise cancellation. So what you'll do then is push it, so make sure all, looking on the side there, look from the side and just make sure all of the cables, the cores, are pushed up to that metal pin on each side. So with the pins up, so put this cable facing you here, pins facing me upwards, and then look at the color code. The color code from left to right will be white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, blue, white, green, white, brown, and brown. And that is the international order, and that's where it needs to stay. Then you simply get your RJ45 crimpers, insert, crimp down a couple of times, make sure it's nice and solid and doesn't come off, slide up the strain relief, and then that goes on like that. Okay, and then again, just check the colour code, and I will hold it up for you for the pins there. It's very difficult to probably see on there. You can see it's white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Okay, I know it's difficult, but that's the colour code. You can pause it and have a look anytime you want. And what I'll do now is actually put that on there, and you can see in as much detail as possible. There we go. Hopefully that's going to benefit some of you. That seems to get a lot of hits on YouTube, so it's definitely in high demand. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep commenting, keep asking questions. Really enjoy your feedback. See you next week for the next one. Thank you.